Dear learners, welcome to NIOS. Today we are going to learn about customer service. In this age of marketing, no company can survive without providing good services to its customers. In this session, we are going to cover explanation about customer services, various types of customers, and how a customer care executive can handle customer queries efficiently. Customer service is the process of ensuring customer satisfaction with a product or service, and a customer can take the service in person, on phone call, or in self-service system, or by any other means. Customer service starts from the very beginning when customer purchases any product or service. After then, if customer faces any problem or if customer faces any grievances regarding product or service, he can call a customer service center, or by any other method he can contact to the company customer care service office. Few customer service skills are very much important to build long-term relationship with the customers, and few of them are patience, attentiveness, clear communication skills, product knowledge, ability to use positive language, acting skills, time management skills, ability to read customers' mind, calming presence, goal-oriented focus, ability to handle surprises, persuasion skills, closing ability, and willingness to learn. Now, let's go them one by one. Patience. Patience is not important only for the companies. Patience is also very much important for customer service providers. Whenever customer comes with a query, they are very much frustrated. When they approach customer service executive, the customer care executive should listen their queries very patiently. Then only customer will be able to explain his problems genuinely. Second, attentiveness. Attentiveness is listening to the queries with proper attention. If proper attention is not given, in that case, customer care executive or the service provider may end up giving vague solutions. Clear communication skills. Communication skills are very much important to convey right solutions, right emotions, and right kind of connection with the customer. Product knowledge. Customer uses the product or service by the company on day-to-day basis. So, the customer care executive or the customer service provider, that person should also know the product properly. If the service provider does not know about the product and front and back of the product, in that case he will not be able to solve queries put by customers. Ability to use positive language. Usually when flustered, customers may use abrupt language or they may lose their temper, but customer service person should use positive language even with the angry-most customer. Acting skills. Sometimes there are customers with whom no actual solution is possible. In that case also, the customer care executives have to act that they have the solution, and they can even come back to them again after getting proper solution. Then, time management skills. Customer service executives should manage their time properly so that they can sort out the queries in limited time span. Ability to read customer's mind. If the customer service provider is not able to get that what customer is actually looking for, in that case service provider will not be able to give right solution to the customer. So, it is an ultimate key to give solutions to the customer, that customer service provider should be able to read mind of the customer. Calming presence is that even if the customer is not able to keep his persona, definitely when he is facing the problem with product or service, he might lose his temper. But mere presence of the customer service provider should calm the phenomena. If the customer service provider is keeping a good smile, he is polite and he is handling the things carefully, in that scenario, customer service can be provided properly. Goal oriented focus. Service provider should focus ultimately on the problem solution. If the problem is not solved, in that case, does not matter how good the customer service person is. Ultimately, solution of the problem is required. Ability to handle surprises. The customer may come with abrupt problems and they might also come with very minor problems. So, the customer service person should be able to handle all those surprising problems. If the person is not having solution at hand, in that case he may get the solution, he may request customer that we will call you back, and he can get the solution and get back to the customer again with the solution. Persuasion skills. Persuasion skills means convincing skills. Selling goods for convincing customers, persuasion skills are very much necessary. Closing ability. Once customer has received the solution, proper closing is necessary. If the call is not closed properly, in that case, the company may lose long-term relationship with the customer. And willingness to learn. A customer service provider should be willing to learn all the things whichever come to the way. Learn about the product or the service, learning about the various skills and learning about the recent trends. After learning about these skills, we will learn about one phenomena which is moment of truth. Moment of truth is customer's perception versus the reality of the product and service. Whenever customer buys or purchases any product or service, they have a perception about that product or service. When they use that product or service, they actually encounter the reality. For example, you visit a restaurant. Restaurant is very decent with very good ambience. You call the waiter and the waiter is not interested to take your order. He does not take your order properly. You receive the food is not good. So, in this case, the perception about the restaurant was good, but the reality was not good. So, it created a negative moment of truth. Vice versa, if customer considers some product or service to be bad, but when he uses that product or service, actually that product or service gives a good experience, that will create a positive moment of truth. So, the good customer service creates happy moment of truth and bad service creates negative moment of truth. Happy moment of truth helps to create long-term relationship with the customer and build customer loyalty. So, companies should always focus on giving expected and sometimes giving beyond expectations to make happy customers. Moving ahead, types of customers. In marketing, we consider 6 types of customers: loyal customers, angry customers, discount customers, impulsive customers, need-based customers and wandering customers. Let's go them one by one. First one is loyal customers. Loyal customers are very few in number and they are completely satisfied with the product or services given by the company. But these customers want individual attention and they demand polite and respectful response. These customers fetch good sales and profit to the company. Second is angry customers. Angry customers are very hard to please. They are unhappy from the company's product and services. They might sound harsh and rude in their behavior. So ultimately, the customer service executive should let them vent out their anger first, and then they should provide the solution, and also customer care executive can convince them for opting out better options. Next is discount customers. These are the customers who visit the company store or website or the call center frequently, and they usually buy products at low cost. So, they make purchases when there are heavy discounts. They bargain a lot. So, the customer care executive or the customer service provider should treat them with patience and assertiveness. Fourth one is impulsive customers. Impulsive customers usually have no specific need or no shopping list. They are spontaneous. If they like something, they buy it. And it is very difficult to convince such customers. But effective selling skills can lead and convert them to actual sales. Fifth one is need-based customers. Such customers have specific need items. They only buy when they need, but still they visit frequently, and yes, it is difficult to satisfy them because they want the best deal. Such customers should be handled very positively and assertively by the customer service provider. And sixth and the last is wandering customers. These customers are least profitable. They are more interested in window shopping and they are not sure what they want to buy. They usually focus on investigating first and collect proper information. So, if the customer care executive is able to provide them proper information, then it is possible to create interest in them and then convert them into actual sales. Ultimately, on the basis of these categories, it is not such that the customer service provider should not focus on certain types of customer. Actually, they should focus on all types of customers, but the ways to handle them would differ significantly, and the handling techniques should be renovated. Also, the strategies should be formed by the customer service provider itself depending on the type of customer and the situation. Now, we will look forward that how a customer service provider or a customer care executive should handle customer queries. First of all is they should treat customers well. Everybody likes to be treated well. Everybody likes happy people, right? So, the customer care executive should greet the customers properly. They should use the right language and they should give just solutions to the customers. This treatment will help to build, develop and maintain customers. Ask customers. Usually, customer care executives assume that what customer wants to ask, but actually they should listen to the customer carefully and they should certainly ask that how they can help the customer. So, if the customer is telling a problem or telling a need, the customer care executive should listen to the customer first and then sort out the problem. Listening ability. Listening ability is the most important skill in the handling customer queries, because usually rather than listening to the customer care executives start giving solutions to the vague problems. So, listening and understanding the query is foremost before giving a solution. Be honest and straightforward. While giving solution to the customer problems, it is very much necessary that customer care executive should give honest answers and they should be straightforward. If they do not have solution to a particular problem or particular query, in that case they should deny to give answer at that moment and they should request that they will call the customer again, and after getting the answer they should reach the customer once again so that the right answer should be conveyed. And being straightforward is, if there are certain things or if there are certain issues which cannot be sorted out by the company or which are not in the hands of customer care executive, they should straightforward say no, but politely. Stop conversation with other employees during a transaction. If a customer visits the store or if a customer gives a call, it is a morale for the employees that if they are busy in their personal talks, they should stop that talk and they should focus on the customer. This gives the feeling to the customer that they are important. If you can't help, do not hinder. If there are some situation in which the customer service provider will not be helpful, in that case they should not interrupt the customer. For example, if the customer is looking for the merchandise and they deny for the interruption by the customer service provider, in that case they should not interrupt. Be willing to seek help. If customer comes with a query and the customer service provider does not have the answer, in that case person should be free and the person should be ready to take help from the manager or any supervisor. So, in this session we learned about that how customer service is important for companies, what are the types of customers, and how happy moments can help the companies to build a long-term relationship with the customers, and ultimately how a customer care executive should handle customer queries. Thank you.